So what's food like below deck for crew? Well, it changes quite a bit. Today we've got a crepe section. Sometimes it might be like a fried rice or a pad thai or whatever, but this was pretty tasty. And then we've got typical salad bar stuff that doesn't really change. Here, look at all these things, jalapenos and fresh this and fresh that, raisins. And then cheeses and meats and just pretty much anything you could want at a buffet is what we've got down here. I could eat up at the buffet with like the guests, but honestly it's just easy to eat down here and the food's really good, so I don't have any complaints. And on top of that, we've got so many desserts. I'm not a dessert person, but dude, so many like very, very good desserts. So this is what it's like where we eat, just lots of tables, really, really plain and simple. And that's everything, guys. Bye.